Okay, welcome to Q Basic Programming Lesson 18, Color Codes. I promise of showing you the color code in Q Basic. 0 is black, a black color. 1 is blue. Don't mind the red is showing there. I'm not typing any code. I'm just trying to show you the color code. 1 is blue. 2 is green. 2 is green. Then 4 is red. 4 is red. Then 7 is white. 14 is yellow. Let me rather put them in a program so you could understand it better. Okay, so we are going to write the code or a simple program now that shows the CLS. You remember what CLS stands for? The locate and the color. So I'll write for these three and then explain all the three in one program. CLS, color. Remember the color spelling here shows there's no U. 14, 1. Then locate. You remember what we said about locate. Columns, row 5 and column 10. The text will appear in row 5 and column 10. Print, of course. Let me still use this as Mr. Coding, as my student normally call me. So when I print this, I will have this on the screen showing the background color. Can you see now? The background color is blue, number 1, while the text color is yellow, number 14. Okay, the text color is 14, yellow. The background color is blue. You notice this. So let's move to the next one in the next video. Thanks for watching.